So Gina Carano has been fighting an uphill battle against Disney in her pursuit to get justice. All she did was just express her political views, and Disney turned around and fired her. Now she claims that she's been mistreated, that Disney didn't give her a fair chance, and now she is seeking repercussions for their actions, and as she should. Now she got a huge win a couple days ago, where Gina Carano wins a big against Disney in lawsuit discovery battle. Judge orders Disney to hand over actor pay records within 20 days. In a major legal victory for Gina Carano in her lawsuit against Disney, the U.S. District Court for the Central District of California has granted a motion to compel Disney to turn over key documents, because they've been holding on this information for whatever reason, related to how other Star Wars actors were compensated, including big names like Pedro Pascal, Rosario Dawson, and the cast of the Maldorian and Grogu. The reason why she wants this information because she wants to prove to the judge and Disney that, hey, I was mistreated. They pushed me to the side. They bullied me, all because I had a different political view. But I'm sure Disney's loving the fact they hired Rachel Zegler. How's that working out for them? The order comes after 8 months of what Carano described as Disney's deflection and stalling in her wrongful termination lawsuit. So they've been holding on to these records for 8 months now. That's ridiculous. You should be a company, if you're not afraid to share information, go ahead and share it. Why are you holding this information? Why are you hiding stuff? Because at the end of the day, you should have nothing to hide whatsoever. But no, Disney wants to play these games. And of course, as they continue to plummet and embarrass themselves, it's just no surprise to me. The court order issued in case number 224 CV01009 forces Disney to comply within 20 days. So they have to hand these records over because the court has required it. Handing over verified spreadsheets showing how actors were paid across The Mandalorian, related Disney Plus shows, and upcoming film. The ruling partially grants Carano's motion to compel, marking a pivotal moment in the ongoing battle between the Cara Dune actress and one of Hollywood's largest media corporations. Look, this is a complete mess. And for Gina Carano, she's been going through it. And probably not the best idea, especially with the facts of how Disney's been doing lately with the downfall of Snow White. And you had someone like Rachel Zegler express her political views, and Disney did nothing about that. How hypocritical. Or somebody's talking about Palestine and saying, like, hey, Trump voters don't support me. And you let her just continue to make those statements, but Gina can't express her ideas. How about this? Maybe just focus on making good content again, telling good stories, and leave politics out of your company, because it has not worked out very well for Disney. And what this means legally is that Disney is not giving them what they want, and the judge is making them do it. Carano's legal team filed this motion back on April 2nd after 8 months of what they claim was stonewalling by Disney during the discovery process. Just pathetic stuff from Disney, not complying, all because she has a different political view. In plain terms, her lawyers need access to Disney's internal data so a damages expert can calculate what Carano likely would have earned had she not been fired in 2021. And the court agreed, finding that Carano's request for paid data across Star Wars actors was reasonable, relevant, and necessary to establish lost income. So yeah, if you really think that Disney is in the right here, I don't know what to tell you, but this company continues to embarrass itself, in my opinion. And I don't know if they can win this case. We shall see. Obviously, it's still an uphill battle, but this is a step in the right direction. And they have to show the court the compensation records. We'll see if it's actual numbers or some fake numbers they try to spew up. But again, it's got to be verified spreadsheets. So I doubt they're going to try to, finagle their way through this. And again, still a long way to go, but hopefully Gina can get something out of this. And you know what? We shall see how this all plays out. But again, like, people are tired of what Disney's been pushing over the last few years with the woke propaganda, the ideologies out there. Fans have spoken, especially when you see the numbers of Snow White and obviously previous remakes of like The Little Mermaid and other woke stuff they tried to get fans to like. It hasn't worked. It has fallen on its head, and people are just speaking up and just tired of it. So hopefully for Gina's case, she can get something out of this, expose some things, and Disney, maybe they'll sell Star Wars. I don't know. That would be funny if they do that, because I think that would lead to a domino effect where Marvel would be the next one to be sold. I know that's probably a long ways away, but the direction these industries are heading and how fans are just turned off, that could likely happen in the future, in my opinion. Hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I'd love to hear your thoughts about Gina Carano's ongoing legal battle against Disney. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.